Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making gourd halwa, kaddu ka halwa. Bottle gourd 250 grams. Peel the skin. Cut into big slices. Remove the seeds. Grate the bottle gourd. I am using fruit processor for grating. Take a thick pan or kadai. Heat 2 tablespoons chopped almonds. Fry on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep aside. Same pan add chopped cashews. Fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Keep aside. In the same pan, add little bit extra ghee, cardamom 3, grated bottle curd 2 cups. Saute for 10 minutes on medium heat. Milk 500 ml. Cook. I'm using full thick cream. Cook until milk dissolves. 1 cup sugar. Cook until dry. Ghee on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Mix everything, serve hot. Chop fried dry fruits on top. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.